The artist's keen eye for detail is evident in every aspect of this project, resulting in a truly polished and refined piece. From the meticulously handcrafted elements to the thoughtfully composed arrangement, this project exudes a sense of artistry. From concept to execution, this project demonstrates an incredible level of artistry and expertise. This project seamlessly blends aesthetics and functionality, resulting in a truly harmonious piece. The thoughtfulness and creativity that went into this project are evident in every aspect. From its intricate details to its flawless execution, this work stands as a testament to the artist's talent and dedication. This project captivates the senses with its harmonious blend of colors, textures, and shapes. The meticulous attention to proportion and balance in this design creates a visually pleasing and harmonious composition. This work exudes a sense of sophistication and elegance, demonstrating the artist's refined aesthetic sensibilities. The innovative approach and unique perspective in this project push the boundaries of traditional design. Every brushstroke and every line in this artwork tells a story, inviting the viewer to embark on a visual journey. The attention to light and shadow in this artwork creates a dynamic and immersive visual experience. From the initial concept to the final execution, this project exemplifies the artist's unwavering commitment to their craft. From the intricately carved details to the expertly applied finishes, this project exemplifies craftsmanship at its finest. The use of vibrant colors and bold shapes in this project creates a visually dynamic and captivating composition. The attention to storytelling and narrative in this artwork adds depth and richness to its visual appeal. This work radiates a sense of tranquility and serenity, inviting viewers to find solace within its presence.